Hola, Brica! Welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Taíno. I'm Priscilla Colon, co-founder and creative here at Taíno, where our mission is to promote the Taíno language and culture. So today we're going to spiral back to some of the concepts that we've already know so we can practice a little bit more. So spiraling is a concept used in teaching, and it allows you to go back to revisit or practice some of the things that you already know. You can use those things in a new way, let's say in a new scene or context. And you can also add a few new items. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to spiral back and revisit the concepts of past tense, present tense, and future tense by just changing the scenes a little bit. So for today's lesson, we're going to start with a word bank. Now, all of these are words that you should have seen in previous episodes. If you haven't watched those episodes, I will put the links in the description below. So let's take a look at the words in the word bank. Sokál, yesterday. Sokaí, today. Watá, tomorrow. You're also going to be looking at some place nouns. Hiba, forest. Conuco, farmland. Boharak, house or home. We're going to be looking at the verb moon, to be in or at, and we're going to be using it in a few different tenses, including the present tense moon, the past tense munit pa, was, were, in or at a place, and the future tense munina, will be in or at a place. So let's start with the first question. What if someone asks you, Amana buk munit pa? Where were you? The words we can use from our word bank are sokál, yesterday, the verb moon, to be in or at a place, and hiba, forest. Now let's form our response. So I'm going to be using word chunks and phrases and then building up to the full sentence to make it easier for you. Sokál, dak. Dak munit pa. Hiba. Sokál dak munit pa. Hiba. Yesterday I was in the forest. Now don't worry if you didn't get every single one of those words. You can just play this video back and refer to the English right next to the Taíno. Let's do the next one. So what if someone asks, Amana buk, where are you? So we'll use the following words from the word bank. Sokaí, today. Moon, to be in or at. Dakat, my. Boharak, house or home. So let's build up again with these words and phrases until we complete a full sentence. Sokaí, dak. Dak moon. Dakat. Dakat boharak. Sokaí dak moon dakat boharak. Today I am in my house. Now let's talk about where you will be tomorrow. So the question someone can ask is, Amana buk moon ina? Where will you be? So for this section, we're going to be using the following words from the word bank. Watá, tomorrow. Moon, to be in or at a place. Conuco, farmland. And this is how we can answer. Watá. Dak. Dak munina. Conuco. Watá dak munina conuco. Tomorrow I will be at the farmland. You see how awesome that was? So by using the words for yesterday, today, and tomorrow, you're able to practice the past, the present, and the future tense, and we were able to spiral back to those concepts. So let's review the sentences that we put together one more time. Sokál dak munit pa hiba. Yesterday I was in the forest. Sokaí dak moon dakat boharak. Today I am in my house. Watá dak moon ina conuco. Tomorrow I will be at the farmland. So today you have a little homework. I want you to either write or talk to somebody about where you went yesterday, where you go today and where you will be going tomorrow. And for that, you can use the verb iba. So just make sure that you know how to do the past, the present, and the future tenses, and you use the words yesterday, today, and tomorrow. If you're in a Taíno study group, make this part of your vocabulary and communication practice the next time you meet. You can also use either the country names that you see on your screen or maybe just place names of places around where you live. Thank you again for joining me today. I'm so excited that you want to learn Taíno too. And actually, you're doing me a huge favor. By creating these lessons, I get to practice my Taíno. If you want to continue practicing, please join us on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. We are there so you can ask questions, practice your writing skills, get to know a little bit more about Taíno. I always take my time to look at everyone's questions and answer them. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of cool community building activities coming up, and I'll be doing a lot of community posts, so please make sure to activate your notifications. In the meantime, Tay karaya guay tiao nagu.